Die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I just wanted to say a quick thank you to everyone here on YouTube that has helped me reach 1,000 subscribers. You know, I didn't want to make this video at 1,000 subs exactly because you never know when you're going to lose a sub and get bumped down to 999, and I really didn't want to look like a fool. So thank you to everyone here on YouTube, you know, all the subscriptions, all the comments, all the likes, all the dislikes, everything really does help me out. And it's been one hell of a journey. I've been here making videos on YouTube since the 23rd of December 2020. And you know, in that time I've made over 300 videos of varying quality. You know, I've done some vlogs, I've done this, I've done that, but you know, it's the fragrance videos in particular that I'm really making here, and that's sort of what I'm becoming known for. So it's that community in particular that, you know, I have the strongest affinity with. There are two commenters here in particular, Fasil and Mike. You guys almost comment on every single video I make, and you know, it doesn't go unnoticed. So this is my thanks to you two guys. These little interactions are what makes it great to be here on YouTube. And there are two other people that I wish to thank, give a special thanks to, and this channel wouldn't be here without them, and that is my cousin Levi, who funnily enough filmed some B-roll for me in the very early days of the channel. So if you've noticed that the B-roll way back in the start of the channel is better than my B-roll now, that's exactly why. And the other person, and I did debate whether or not to thank this person, is a woman by the name of Caitlin, and it goes without saying that the encouragement that she gave me to start my channel in particular, I wouldn't be here in this position if it weren't for her and Levi. So just wanted to say a quick thanks to those two people in particular. So here's to the next 300 videos, here's to the next 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to each and every single one of you. It's been an absolute pleasure. I love making videos here. I wanted to be a filmmaker when I was a kid, and I really strayed away from that. But I suppose now that I make videos here on YouTube, I'm sort of living that in a slightly different manner. And yeah, oh, my fragrance of the day, Jean Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male. Buy Nike Man Blue instead. My name is Aussie Marcel. It's been a pleasure, guys. Love you all. Thanks for watching.